Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and innovative fields in technology, quantum computing. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about quantum computing, from its history to its potential applications. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a branch of computing that uses quantum mechanical phenomena, such as superposition and entanglement, to perform operations on data. Unlike traditional computing, which uses bits, either 0 or 1, quantum computing uses qubits, quantum bits, that can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing for exponentially faster processing of data. Section 2. How does quantum computing work? Quantum computing works by manipulating qubits through quantum gates to perform calculations on data. Quantum gates are analogous to the logic gates used in traditional computing, but they operate on qubits instead of bits. Due to the nature of qubits, quantum computing can solve complex problems much faster than traditional computing, such as breaking encryption algorithms and simulating complex chemical reactions. Section 3. What are the potential applications of quantum computing? Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize various fields, including finance, cybersecurity, and drug discovery. For example, quantum computing could be used to optimize financial portfolios, perform real-time fraud detection, and simulate complex chemical reactions to develop new drugs. Additionally, quantum computing could also be used to develop more efficient algorithms for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Section 4. What are the challenges facing quantum computing? Despite its potential, quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, and there are many challenges that need to be overcome before it can be widely adopted. One of the biggest challenges is the development of error correction algorithms to deal with the fragility of qubits. Additionally, the development of practical quantum hardware is still in progress, and it remains to be seen whether it will be scalable and reliable enough for commercial use. Conclusion. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about quantum computing. It's an innovative and exciting field that has the potential to revolutionize various industries. While there are still many challenges facing quantum computing, the future looks promising, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. We hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos from our channel.